Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti SHABUDDIN and I am from CSC264. So I am a member from Group E and Kids Keep Shop. So for my part, I will present 3 features to each login, insert and select. Okay, so for login, there are 2 features with 2 users, which is customer and administrator. So let's go to the customer first. So this is customer login page. So for us like a new user, we need to click on create new account here. So the customer sign up page require customer to insert their customer ID. Their unique ID needs to start with the number 4. Customer ID, name, address, phone number, email and password. So 4003. Okay. So the new customer needs to agree to the license terms. Click on this checkbox. Click sign up. Okay, so the system says customer registration is completed. So we can proceed to the login page for customer. So the login page for customer requires customer to insert the customer ID and password. So let's click the user key as we registered before. The password. So okay, excellent. So finally we can access the customer homepage that shows the menu available for our cake shop. So the customer free to view the menu. So here on the main page for menu, they show the name, the short description for the product and their price. So if customer wants to view full details of the products, they can click on this, the button view. Okay, so the button view redirects customer to the selected cake. Okay, so it shows the short description and the product details such as ingredients, texture, density, weight, base, and taste. Also the prices. Okay, so let me explain the administrator side for login. So I will explain the login features for administrator. So as you can see here, this is admin login page. So for new admin, they need to register first. So click on here. So the sign up page require administrator to insert the administrator ID. The unique ID will start with 3. Okay, 3. And then name, phone number, password, and they need to agree to the license terms. So let us see. Sign up. Okay, so the system says admin registration completed. So let us go to the login page for administrator. Click on insert the required details. Okay, success. Okay, so next I will present about the insert for cake. Insert new product, new cake. Okay, so as you can see there are 5 cake types of cake here. So I will add a new one. So this is the add cake page. So it requires the cake ID, the cake name, cake description, details, price, and their according picture. Okay, so for cake ID, then starts with 206. Okay, so the cake name is hot chocolate macadamia. Okay, so you can click here to see the detail. Okay. Go to the last. The price is to 28. Select the according picture. Save. Click on save. Okay, so the system says product is added successfully. So we can click on go home. And yes, the white chocolate macadamia as we inserted before is appearing here. Okay, that's all for me. So I will pass the next features of the system to my friend. Thank you.
Hello, my name is MOKHTAR NIZAM bin ABDUL GHANI. My student ID is 2020973357. Okay, my part in this group is I am a website designer. I create all this website interface using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and also Bootstrap. Okay, if you can see here, this is admin homepage. Okay, after admin log in their account to our system, they will go here and they can update and delete the item. Okay, I will show you how to update and delete item. Okay, if you want to edit or update item, just click on the left the pen symbol here. For example, I will click here chocolate chip walnut. I will change the name. Okay, chocolate chip walnut, I will change to chocolate X, and the price I will change to 50 ringgit. So expensive, but it's okay. I will just click save, and the product is updated. Just go back to home. Okay, if you can see here, the name is changed from chocolate chip walnut to chocolate X, and the price also changed from 20 ringgit to 50 ringgit. Okay, if I want to delete this item, it's so simple. Just click the dustbin on the right side here, and the item is gone. It's so simple. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is ZUHAIRAH. So I will present about the search and calculation part of our website project. So here we are seeing the customer homepage where you can see the products that have been added by the admin into the database, and then we will fetch the data into the customer home for the customers to see our products. So on top here we have a search box for the customer to search for cakes by its name, and we also have the customer card here on the same page. So for example, I will key in the word banana here and then click on enter. So the website will fetch the data from the database and show it here. So we can see here chocolate banana cake. Let's try to key in the word chocolate. Enter. So here we are seeing 3 cakes with the word chocolate in its name. So we should click on the button view, and then we can see the product details here, and then you can click on home or here to go back to the customer home page. Now let's try adding some cakes into the shopping cart. Simply by clicking on this button, the product will be inserted into the shopping cart here. Now let's try adding another one here. So as you can see, the chocolate banana cake is 15 ringgit and the white chocolate macadamia cake is also 15 ringgit. So the price has been totaled here, 50 ringgit. Let's try adding another one, the chocolate fudge cake. So the chocolate fudge cake is 20 ringgit. So the total now is 50 ringgit. Now click on order. So you can see here complete purchase. Then you can click here return to merchant. And the cart now is empty. So we can see that the search box is functioning excellently and provides a page redirection. And the calculation part of this website is also very good and provides a page redirection. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello and Assalamualaikum to everyone and also madam. My name is KIRANA Binti Abdul Latif. My ID matrix number is 20203018889 and I'm from group CS1104A. So, as you guys can see here, this is actually the home button of our MIT apps. So basically, I will show you guys the output, the everything output of the MIT apps that we have created. Alright, so let's just start to alright, as you guys can see here, this is the home button and this is the home page where you guys can see the login button, sign up button, alright, and also the logo of our Eats and Treat shop, cake shop, right? So let's just try to press the sign up button. Alright, let's just wait for a bit while because it is take a bit longer for you to be on the next page. Right, so as you guys can see here, this is the sign up page where the sign up page required you guys to fill in the name, email, username, and also the password. On the bottom of the sign up page, it has a register button and also back button. If you guys choose to press the back button, it will go to the home page. Alright, so let's just try to fill in everything here, the name and also the email. Alright, also the username. Let's just try to put something on there, and then also the password, and then just click register. As you guys can see there, the data have been saved. The data will automatically save at the database, which is PHP admin. Alright, so let's just wait for a bit. Okay, and then press back button. Okay, after you have just sign up and then press the register button, you just have to go back and then it will bring you to the home page. Right, let's just wait for a bit. Alright, and then it will bring you guys to the home page and you just have to log in everything that you have just filled in at the sign up page. Right, let's just wait for a bit while for us to be on the login page. So the login page is require you guys to put the username and also the password. Alright, just put everything, just fill in everything that you just fill in at the sign up. Alright, if you see the login fail, you just have to try again. Right, just try again, and then yes, until you get the right password and the right username, then you will successful again. Alright, so let's just wait for a bit while, and then after you press the login button, it will bring you guys to the menu page. Okay, let's just wait for a while. Alright, as you guys can see here, this is the menu button where it's actually show the cards and also the everything that you have just ordered, and also the most important thing at the bottom of it, it has update account, delete account, and also logout. Alright, so here we just want to try the update account. which is it will update everything that you just have signed up, that you just fill in at the sign up page. And let's just try for the update account. Okay, let's just try to click that. Let's just wait for a bit while. We just have to fill in everything inside the update page. The new name, the new username, right? As you guys can see here, this is the update account. You will fill in the new username and also email and also the password. The update account has username, email, password, alright? And at the bottom of it, you have save and also the back button. Alright, let's just try to fill in everything inside the update account. The first one is username. Next is email. And also the password. Alright, just press the button, the save button. Just press the save button. Just wait for a while. Alright, as you guys can see here, the data have been updated after you just fill in everything inside this. The data have been updated inside the PHP admin, the database inside the PHP admin. Alright. So after that, you just have to press the back button. The back button, alright. After you guys just press the back button, it will bring you guys to the menu page. Alright, just wait for a bit. As you guys just watched that the menu button has the update account, delete account, and also logout. So let's just try for the delete account. After this, let's just press the delete account. It is take a bit longer for you to go to the next page that you have just pressed. Just wait and just be patient with it. And this is the delete account, which it requires you guys to fill in the username, password, and also it has the delete button and also back button. Okay, for example, you just have to fill in everything inside there, which is username and also the password. The username, the password, alright. And just press the delete button. As you guys can see here, the account has been deleted. The account has been deleted inside the database PHP admin. Okay, and then just press the back button. After you just press the back button inside the deleted account, it will bring you guys to the home page, alright, for you to log in everything again. Alright, just press the login button, and as usual, you know that inside the login button has the username and also the password, and you just have to fill in everything inside it to continue to be on the next page, which is ordering something inside our apps, mobile apps. Right, just fill in everything, username and also the password. Login successful as usual. Right. Alright guys, let's continue. This is the menu page that I've already showed you guys. Basically, it has the three button, which is update account, delete account, and also the logout button. Alright, so as you guys can see here, it has the trolley symbol. The trolley symbol is basically represent the cards page, which is it show you guys how many order that you have choose. Alright, and this is basically our cafe name, and this is the cheesecake, and this is the chocolate cake. basically this one you can just press, which is press this cheesecake, press the chocolate cake. This 00 is basically represent the price of the order that you just press, the order that you just have choose. All right, so inside this cheesecake you can press and you will see the many type of cheesecake. If you press the chocolate cake, you will see many type of chocolate cake. All right, so let's see if you just press the cheesecake cake. All right, as you guys can see here, wait a minute. Alright, as you guys can see here, you can see the type of cheesecake, which is lime cheesecake RM 20 ringgit, strawberry cheesecake RM 20 ringgit, caramel apple cheesecake RM 20 ringgit, pumpkin cheesecake RM 20 ringgit, carrot cheesecake RM 20 ringgit. So basically you just have to choose anything that you like inside this, and it will count and sum up everything at the menu page. Alright, so let's just try to press something which is caramel apple cheesecake or strawberry, something like that. So as you guys can see here, the type of cheesecake that you have just chosen, the price will appear here. Alright, so let's just press something that you can add up. Alright, for example, this is the if you press the chocolate cake type, alright, and it will appear many type of chocolate cake. Alright, so this is basically the type of chocolate cake that you can choose. Chocolate banana RM 20 ringgit, chocolate chip walnut RM 20 ringgit, chocolate fudge RM 20 ringgit, chocolate indulgent RM 20 ringgit, moist chocolate cake RM 20 ringgit, and white chocolate macadamia RM 20 ringgit. So let's just choose something that you can sum up. Alright, chocolate fudge RM 20 ringgit. As you can see here, everything that you have chosen is just sum up everything inside the menu page. Alright, so let's see if we can choose something that you can add up at the price. Alright, okay, for example, you choose you wanted some more of the chocolate type, which of the chocolate cake type, which is chocolate indulgent. Let's just press chocolate indulgent. Alright, as you guys can see here, the price is already have sum up, which is 20 ringgit for the chocolate indulgent and also the chocolate fudge, which is RM 20 ringgit also. So it become RM 40 ringgit. So it basically just become the price is basically appear everything here, and you see the symbol just now, which is the trolley symbol. It's 0, right? And then now you already choose three cakes, and the trolley symbol will become 3 because you ordered 3 cakes. Alright, so let's just press the symbol of the cards, which is the trolley cards. Alright, let's just press it. Quite some time that you have to wait. Alright, just wait for a bit longer. Alright, as you guys can see here, this is the cards item, which is the order that you just have chosen, and this is the chocolate fudge RM 20 ringgit, chocolate indulgent RM 20 ringgit, strawberry cheesecake RM 20 ringgit. So basically it all appear inside the cards after you just chosen. You can see everything inside the trolley symbol, and you just have to press it. Alright, so also the card page will show you the total for the cheesecake, not just only everything that you just have chosen, the order that you just have chosen. It's also show you guys the total for the cheesecake and also the total of the chocolate cake that you just have chosen. Alright, for example, the total for cheesecake is RM 20 ringgit, and total for chocolate cake is RM 40 ringgit. Alright, and then it will sum up like everything inside this, and you just have to see everything. And yeah, it has the cards page have 2 buttons, which is back button and logout button. Alright, so for example, you just want to log out, and you just have to press it, and you just successfully log out. Alright, after you just press the logout button, you will automatically go to the home button and you can start the new order that you wanted. So that is just from me. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is IZZAH MAISARAH binti MOKHTAR. For this video presentation, I will be presenting about the Meet app inverter, which is for the design, the block, and the database. Also the code that we use in the Sublime. So the first one is the home page in the screen one. So this is basically the home page. We have the label, the image, and two buttons, which is the login and the sign up button. So in the block, we only has these two blocks, which is when you click the login button, it will go to the login page, and when you click the sign up button, it will go to the sign up page. So this is the sign up page. There's only 4 text box and 5 label, which is the user need to fill in. So the first one is name, email, username, and password. And there's 2 buttons here. When the user already fill in the text box, they just need to click the register button, and when they want to go back to the screen one, which is the home page, they just need to click the back button here. So this is the block. So when the button register click, it will go to the code cake shop sign up with PHP, which is this one, the sign up. So in this code, it has to include the connection, which we already met the code here, and we just declare the ID, the email, the username, and the password, and we do this code for check the data. When the check is greater than 0, which means the data already have in the database, and when it's not in the database, it will do this code, which is insert into the user database. It will insert the ID, email, name, username, and the password into the database, and it will show the message the data has been saved, which is the account is successfully registered. And the next one is the login. So in the login page, we has the username and the password, which need to be filled by the user when they already have the account. So in the block, when the button login is clicked, it will go to the code, which is the cake shop login.php code, the login one, which is this one. We just include the connection PHP as usual and declare the variable, and when the check is greater than 0, which means the data is already in the database, it will pop up the message login successful, and when it's not in the database, it will pop up the message the login failed. So this is just the code for check whether the connection is good or not, and it will pop up the login successful when the user key in the username and the password correctly, same as the database, and it will go to the menu when the menu screen when after they click the login button, and it will pop up the login file if the data key in by the user is false. The next one, when you click the back button here, it will go to the screen 1, which is the home page. Next, we're going to see about the menu. So in the menu, it has the label, the chat button, and the chat label, and we are using two of list speaker, which is to split the menu into two, which is the first one is cheesecake and the second one is the chocolate cake. So this is the label for the price. After we click the cheesecake here, let's see in the blog. So when we click the cheesecake in the which is in the list speaker earlier, it will go to the list, which is it will pop up this message, which is this is the basically the menu of the cheesecake, and this is basically the menu of the chocolate cake. So when the user click, for example, the lime cheesecake, it will pop up here as from 0, it will be updated to 20.0, which is 20 ringgit, and it will also pop up here from 0 to 1, it will be updated to 1. And when we click another one, for example the strawberry cheesecake, it will add here 40.0 ringgit, and it will be updated here as 2. Same goes for the chocolate cake. If we click another one, for example the chocolate banana, we click, so it will automatically pop up here 20 ringgit. So it will update it here too, from 2 to 3. So when the user click the label chart, it will go to the chart page, which is this one. So in the chart, it only has the label and for the chart item, and the list view, which is will show us the item that we picked earlier in the menu, and the total price for the chocolate cake and the cheesecake. See. So this one, for example, when we click the list speaker cheese and we choose the menu, let's say we choose earlier the lime cheesecake and the strawberry cheesecake, so it will yeah, the total price, this message will pop up in the list in the bottom. The total for cheesecake is 40 ringgit because we choose 2 cheese earlier, 2 cheesecake. So it also will be set to 2 decimal places, and it same goes to the choco. It will do the same calculation as the cheese. So let's go back to the chart. So this is when we click the back button, it will go it will set the value of all the item that we set earlier. It will clear all the value when we click the back button. So when the user need to let's say the user need to select a new item, they will not be the duplicated data later. So that's the function for this block. And when the user click the back button, also it will go to the menu. It will also go to the menu page. And when the user click the logout button, it will pop up the message, successfully logout message, and it will go to the screen 1. So let's get back to the menu. And the menu, as we can see, there is a 3 button here, which is update account, delete account, and logout account. So for the update account here, let's say we go to the update page. So this is the user can update their email and the password just by fill in their username. It must be correct, and there after fill in all the information here that they need to update, they just need to click the set button or the back button. So when they click the update button, it will go to the cake shop update.php code, which is this one. So as usual, we use this connection to include the code to include the connection.php, and we declare the variable here just3 because we just need this 3 information. And when the username is in the database, so it will do this command which is update the user database by set the password equal to password, the email equal to the email, and where the username equal to the username. So basically the user cannot change their username, they can only change their password and their email. So when the data successfully updated, it will show the message here, which is data have been updated. And when the user key in the wrong data, just in case maybe, so it will pop up the data not found message when the user key in the wrong data. So next, as we can see in the menu here, the next button here is the delete account button. So when we go to the delete button, it will show us it will pop up the interface, which is the delete page. The user also need to fill their username and their password to delete the account. And when they fill in their information, they just need to click the delete button here or go back to the menu. So when the button delete is clicked, it will go to the code, which is cakeshop delete.php, which is this one. So as usual, we will use the included connection.php and declare the variable and check the data whether it is in the database or not. So when the data is already has in the database, it will do this command which is delete from the user database, where username is equal to username and the password equal to the password. So after the account successfully deleted from the database, it will pop up the message which is account has been deleted. And when the user enter the wrong username or wrong password, it will show the message account is not available, so they need to try again. So that's it for the delete page. And when they click the back button, it will go to the screen one again. So in the menu, the third button is the logout button. When the user click the logout button, it will basically just show the successful logout message, and it will go back to the screen one, which is whether they need to sign up or log in to the account. So that's all from me. Thank you very much.